Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on a previous video, I did a test of whether or not you can use the GoPro Hero 7 White as your main indoor camera. And so today, I'm going to see how this performs as your main vlogging camera whenever you're outdoors. So let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, so as you can see, you can use the GoPro Hero 7 White as a vlogging camera outdoors, but the question is, should you? So at least for me, I don't think I can use this as my main vlogging camera for three main reasons. The first reason is that the GoPro has this whole fisheye effect, so things are really wide and things are distorted, and so I don't think that's going to work well for me. And then the second thing is that the GoPro Hero 7 White, it's limited to 1080p, and so if you wanted to kind of future-proof yourself, then you're not really going to be able to. So it would be better if it had like 4K, but it doesn't. And then the final thing is your overall video quality is not going to be as good when you compare it to a phone, and especially to camera. So this can affect a lot of things that you could do in post. So that is overall my thoughts on using the GoPro Hero 7 White as an outdoor vlogging camera, as your main vlogging camera. And in my opinion, the GoPro Hero 7, it does great for things that it's intended, mainly for action shots and B-roll. But other than that, it is a addition to everything that you have. But if you do want the best overall vlogging quality, then I'd say stick with your phone or your camera. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my original video where I did a comparison of the GoPro Hero 7 White versus the phone versus a camera indoors, I will leave that link in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.